Good evening. So that's I plan for tomorrow. We're going to Bourbon for the site viewing site tour. So I wake up early and then I sleep early too. So wala na uwan, okay na kaayo ang panahon. So hopefully tomorrow guys, no rain, ka wake up early. So may tagoy uwan. Okay. Ug mag-uwan pait kaayo, no. Ang ako phone guys, dali ra kaayo siya malubat. So no good. No, okay. No sense.